Another important feature of Integrify is the ability to globally replace users. So if you have a situation where a user changes roles within your organization or maybe leaves your organization and you need to update the workflows, tasks, or groups that were assigned to that user, we have a feature that will support that. So under the administration menu, under users, you will see that there's a replace user option up at the top. All you have to do is select the user to replace and the user to assign. And then all these items down here at the bottom are optional based on your situation. So there's options to replace in task configuration, open task, groups, roles, and current and future delegations. You can also view this user's process task, open task, groups, roles, and delegations here up at the top. We give you quite a bit of flexibility there to perform this process, but it is really useful and much more efficient than going into each individual workflow or group or task and making those updates. So you can do this here at a batch level. If you have any questions or need any assistance, feel free to reach out to your customer success team.